Hey travelers! Today we're heading to one of Greece's most breathtaking islands, Kefalonia. From dramatic cliffs and electric blue beaches to hidden caves and charming seaside villages, this island is full of moments that feel almost unreal. In this video, we're taking you through the 7 best places to visit in Kefalonia, each one showcasing a different side of its wild beauty and relaxed island spirit. Let's dive in and start exploring. 7. Agia Efimia. The Agia Efimia is a charming seaside village on the eastern coast of Kefalonia, celebrated for its peaceful atmosphere and postcard-worthy harbor. Nestled between lush green hills and the calm waters of the Ionian Sea, the village feels intimate and welcoming, while the clear water reflects the soft hues of the surrounding landscape, creating a scene that is both serene and inviting. The beauty of Agia Efimia lies in its relaxed rhythm and natural setting. A pleasant waterfront promenade lines the harbor. The surrounding coastline is rich with small coves and pebbled beaches, offering crystal-clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling in a quiet, unspoiled environment. The sunset casts warm, golden tones over the hills and harbor. Lights shimmer on the water, and the village takes on a calm, romantic glow. With its gentle beauty, scenic harbor, and laid-back island charm, Agia Efimia captures the peaceful essence of Kefalonia and leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. 6. Melissani Cave and Lake. The Melissani Cave and Lake is one of the most magical natural wonders of Kefalonia, a place where light, water, and stone come together in breathtaking harmony. Hidden beneath the Earth's surface, the cave opens to the sky through a collapsed roof, allowing sunlight to pour in and illuminate the lake below. The result is an otherworldly scene, where the water glows in brilliant shades of turquoise and electric blue. Gliding across the lake by small boat, visitors experience the cave's beauty up close. The crystal-clear water reveals incredible depth and clarity, while dramatic rock formations rise above, reflecting light in constantly shifting colors. As the sun reaches its peak, the lake appears almost luminous, creating a dreamlike atmosphere that feels both peaceful and awe-inspiring. Beyond its visual beauty, Melissani Cave carries a sense of mystery and timelessness. Ancient myths link the cave to the nymph Melissani, adding a layer of legend to its natural splendor. Quiet, radiant, and unforgettable, Melissani Cave and Lake stands as one of Kefalonia's most extraordinary sights and a true highlight of the Ionian Islands. 5. Assos Village. The Assos Village is one of the most enchanting and picturesque spots in Kefalonia, a tiny seaside settlement wrapped around a peaceful turquoise bay. Surrounded by lush green hills and crowned by the ruins of a Venetian castle, the village feels like a living postcard. Colorful houses line the water's edge, their reflections shimmering softly in the calm sea, creating a scene of pure Ionian beauty. The charm of Assos lies in its simplicity and natural harmony. Narrow paths wind through the village, and traditional tavernas where life moves at a gentle pace. The sheltered bay offers crystal-clear waters perfect for swimming, while the surrounding landscape adds a sense of seclusion and tranquility that makes Assos feel wonderfully untouched. Warm sunset light washes over the hills and village rooftops, and the sea turns shades of gold and blue. The quiet atmosphere, broken only by the sound of the water, makes Assos a place to slow down and fully absorb the beauty around you. With its timeless charm and serene setting, Assos Village is one of Kefalonia's most unforgettable treasures. 4. Myrtos Beach. Myrtos Beach is the most iconic and breathtaking beach in Kefalonia, celebrated for its dramatic natural beauty and striking colors. Nestled between towering white limestone cliffs, the beach opens into a wide crescent of smooth white pebbles that contrast brilliantly with the deep blue and turquoise shades of the Ionian Sea. From the viewpoints above, Myrtos looks almost unreal, a sweeping panorama that perfectly captures the wild beauty of the island. At sea level, the beauty of Myrtos becomes even more powerful. The water is exceptionally clear, with shifting tones of blue that change throughout the day as the sunlight moves across the bay. The vast open setting gives the beach a raw, untouched feeling, where the sound of waves echoing off the cliffs adds to its dramatic atmosphere. It's a place that feels both peaceful and awe-inspiring at the same time. And the sea glows in deep shades of blue and silver. The sunset views from above the beach are unforgettable, making Myrtos not just a place to swim, but a natural masterpiece that defines the beauty of Kefalonia and the Ionian Islands. 3. Fiscardo. The Fiscardo is one of the most beautiful and elegant villages in Kefalonia, known for its colorful waterfront, crystal-clear waters, and refined island charm. Unlike much of the island, Fiscardo preserved its traditional architecture, and its pastel-colored houses with wooden balconies create a postcard-perfect harbor scene. Set along a natural bay, the village feels lively yet relaxed, with a gentle movement of boats adding to its Mediterranean atmosphere. The beauty of Fiscardo is best experienced along its harbor promenade. Cafes and tavernas line the water's edge, offering front-row views of sailing yachts and shimmering sea reflections. The surrounding hills are covered in lush greenery, creating a striking contrast with the bright blues of the Ionian Sea. Every stroll through the village reveals small details, flowers, stone paths, and hidden corners that add to its charm. As evening approaches, Fiscardo becomes especially enchanting. The warm glow of sunset reflects off the harbor. Lights flicker on along the waterfront, and the village takes on a romantic, peaceful energy. With its preserved character, scenic beauty, and relaxed elegance, Fiscardo captures the timeless soul of Kefalonia and remains one of the island's most unforgettable destinations. 2. Skala Beach. The Skala Beach is one of the most inviting and picturesque beaches in Kefalonia, admired for its long stretch of soft sand and clear Ionian waters. Located on the island's southern coast, the beach feels open and spacious, with gentle waves and wide horizons that create a calm, relaxing atmosphere. The combination of golden sand and bright blue sea makes Skala an ideal place for unhurried days by the water. The beauty of Skala Beach is enhanced by its natural surroundings. Rolling green hills rise behind the shoreline, adding depth and contrast to the coastal landscape. The water is crystal clear, perfect for swimming and snorkeling, while the length of the beach allows plenty of space to enjoy the scenery without feeling crowded. Skala also balances natural beauty with a welcoming seaside character. Nearby tavernas and cafes blend seamlessly into the setting, offering comfort without overpowering the landscape. With its clean shoreline, clear waters, and relaxed coastal charm, Skala Beach captures a classic and enduring side of Kefalonia's beauty. 1. Antisamos Beach. The Antisamos Beach is one of the most naturally striking beaches in Kefalonia, known for its vivid turquoise waters and dramatic surroundings. Set within a wide bay near Sami, the beach is framed by steep, lush green hills that create a powerful contrast with the bright blues of the Ionian Sea. The smooth white pebbles along the shore enhance the clarity of the water, giving it an almost glowing appearance. The beauty of Antisamos lies in its unspoiled landscape and crystal-clear sea. The water is exceptionally transparent, making it ideal for swimming and snorkeling, where underwater colors and rock formations are clearly visible. The open bay and natural setting give the beach a refreshing, spacious feel, allowing visitors to fully appreciate the raw beauty of the coastline. What makes Antisamos especially captivating is the sense of harmony between land and sea. The surrounding hills, clear waters, and open sky come together to create a balanced and immersive coastal experience. Wild, scenic, and undeniably beautiful, Antisamos Beach perfectly reflects the natural charm that defines Kefalonia. That's our look at the 7 best places to visit in Kefalonia, Greece, an island where dramatic cliffs, crystal clear waters, charming villages, and hidden natural wonders all come together. From iconic beaches to peaceful harbors, Kefalonia offers unforgettable moments at every turn. If you enjoyed exploring the island with us, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone dreaming of a Greek island escape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.